In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the profile photo of a Facebook business page. Your profile photo is often the very first thing people see when they visit your page, so it's worth taking a minute to set it up properly. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, you'll want to open Meta Business Suite. This is Facebook's central hub for managing your business pages and related tools. You can get there by going to the Business Suite website in your browser or by opening the Meta Business Suite app if you're on mobile. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business page, otherwise you might not see the right page appear. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look for the option that lets you edit your Facebook page. This is usually labeled something like Edit Facebook Page or View Page. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the public-facing version of your business page, but with the editing tools available because you're an admin. On your business page, move your mouse to the current profile photo area. If you already have a profile image, it will appear as a small square or circle, usually at the top left of the page. If you don't have one yet, you'll see a placeholder image instead. Next to or on top of that profile photo area, you should see a small pen or pencil icon. This icon represents edit. Click on the pen icon next to the profile photo. When you do this, a menu or pop-up window will open, giving you a few options for changing the image. In this window, you'll see the option to upload a new photo from your device or to select one from your existing Meta library. If the image you want to use is saved on your computer or phone, choose the upload option. Then browse to the folder where your logo or profile image is stored, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload. If you already have assets saved in your Meta library, like previously used logos or branded content, you can select one of those instead. Once you've chosen your image, adjust the cropping if needed so the important part of the picture is centered and clear. Finally, save your changes, and your new profile photo will be applied to your Facebook business page.